Hi guys, I'm gonna show you now how to tie a snell knot, one of the strongest and easiest hook to mono knots. Go through the eye of the hook with the mono. Grab the other side and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 time around. Now take the other part of the mono and go back to the eye of the hook like this. Pull, pull, pull both sides. Okay. Pull strong, and as you can see, this knot will not slip and it's very, very strong. Trim the end. And you're ready to go fishing. I will pull with all of my power and it stays in place. This is one of the knots that I like most. Thank you for watching. This was Marian from Light Fishing. Bye!